Welcome to Analyst Sultan, your go-to channel for mastering analytics and tracking. In this video, we are diving into the Facebook View Content event, what is, how it works, and how you can set up to optimize your campaign. Let's get started. If you are wondering how Facebook knows which specific product or service your visitors are viewing, that's the power of the view content event. By the end of this video, you will understand its importance and have it fully implemented on your website. Before we dive in, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Join our growing community of marketers and business owners who are mastering analytics step by step. What is Facebook View Content Event? The View Content Event is a predefined action in the Facebook pixel that tracks when someone views a specific piece of content to your website. For example, if you have a e-commerce stores, the View Content event is fired when a visitor views a product page. It sends data such as the page URL, product details like name, category, and price. Any custom parameter you source in included. This helps Facebook understand user behavior, allowing to you optimize your campaign and create personalized ad. How do the view content events work? Here's a quick breakdown of how the view content events work. Pixel installations. The Facebook pixel is installed on your website. Event trigger. When a user view key page like a product or service page, the view content event fires. Data transmission. The event sends details about the view content back to Facebook. Custom audience creations. Facebook use this data to help you build a remarketing audience or optimize ad delivery. Why should you enable to view content event? Let's look at the benefits. Precise remarketing. Retarget user who viewed specific content but did not take further actions. For example, show ads for a product to user who visited its page but did not purchase. Now I will set up Facebook view content event. So firstly you need to click already set up Facebook page view event. Then I need to paste my website URL, then click connect. If you click Metapixel helper, you will see that page view event already fired. And if you click on tag assistant, you will see that Facebook pixel page view event already fired. So our Facebook page view event setup already done. Now I need to set up Facebook view content event. So I will click any product. If I see that here, if a view underscore item event here, and this is my website data layer, so I need to create some extra variable for view content event setup. I need to go back again Google Tag Manager and click on new, then again click here, then find out Facebook pixel. Then I need to pixel ID. I already created constant variable for Facebook pixel ID, so this is my Facebook pixel ID. Now I need to select event name. Now I want to set up Facebook view content event, so need to select view content, then click object properties. I need to send some object properties. I need to edit that. Then I'll go back my documentation. This is my documentation for Facebook view content event. Now firstly I need to create a variables for e-commerce items. So go back again Google Tag Assistant, which variable need to create to pick e-commerce then item. So I will go back again Google Tag Manager, then I will click a variables. So I can click on plus sign, then find out data layer variable. So firstly need to copy e-commerce, then dot, then items, then paste, then need to give a name for this variable. Variables name DLB items. So paste here. So I need to remove this part. I need only variable. So now I will create some object properties. Firstly, I will copy object properties, content IDs. So paste here. Then items name and paste here. Then content types. Then again go back again my documentation, content category. Then contents. Then currency and value. Now I will create properties value. So again go back to my documentation, then firstly need to copy this JavaScript code. Must need to send content IDs, array of integration or strings. So firstly copy this JavaScript code, then go back again my Google Tag Manager, then again click on plus sign, then find out JavaScript variable, custom JavaScript, then paste here. Now I need to change this part, so then give this, then I need to change this name, copy again, then paste here, then click save. Our items IDs property value create done. Now I need to create property values for content name. So I go back again my documentation, I need to copy this code again, another code here. Content name must be string, so must be careful when you will set up this event. Then find out custom JavaScript, then paste here. Now I need to change this part, this is the name, then I need to change this name. I already created this documentation, so I will copy and paste this code. Now I need to change content type. Our website content type is product, so I will give this content type is product. If you have many product, you can use product underscore group. Now I need to set up for content category, then click plus sign, then again click plus sign, then find out custom JavaScript, then again go back to your documentations, then copy this part, then need to change this part, then change this name. Content category must be string, no numbers, so careful. If your website have many categories items, so this code will be detect more categories, so need to click save. Now I need to create contents variable, so again go back to my documentation, then copy this code. Here must be careful, content ID is string, quantity is number, and price, item price is number. This is the Facebook recommended it, so must be careful. If you follow this process, must be collect more accurate data from your user. So I need to change this. Now I need to give a name for this variable. This is the CGS FB contents, then click save. Now I need to create currency variables. If you see your website data layer, this is the object. So after object index start from dot. So firstly need to copy e-commerce. So click here plus signs, then again click plus signs, then find out data layer variable, then paste e-commerce, then dot, then need to copy currency. So paste here, this is the currency. If you see my documentation, you will find this. Currency must be string. So give the name here, then click save. Now I need to set up for value. Currency and value same to same. So firstly need to copy e-commerce, then find out plus signs, then again click data layer variables, then paste e-commerce, then dot that value. Now I need to give a name for value. Copy this, must be value integer or float, then paste here, then click save. Now I need to create triggers, so again click plus signs, then find out customs event. Then if you see my website data layer, view underscore items is the event name, so paste here, then give a name for this view item triggers. So here I will paste view items, then this is the trigger name, then click save. Our all of event create almost done, then click on save. Then I need to give a name for view content, then click again save. Now I will click on preview button. Our setup is perfectly okay or not okay, I need to check it. If I click any product, then click on view content, you will see that all of this event is here. Then you will see that our view content event already fired, so our setup is perfectly okay. If I click on Facebook Meta Pixel, you will see that our view content, contents IDs, contents price, contents quantity, currency value, everything is here. So our setup is perfectly okay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Analyst Sultan and hit the bell icon for more analytic tips. Have questions, drop them in the comment or connect with me through the links in the description. See you in the next video.